Are you going to help me, Tallulah? Are you going to help me? Say hi to everybody. All right. Hey, it's January 2020, and I thought I'd go out here. We haven't had any snow yet, which is a good thing. I don't like snow, but I got the tractor already about a month and a half ago, and I just want to make sure, since I haven't had to use it, I thought it might be a good idea to come out here and start it up and let it run a little bit. So anyway, let's see if we can everything should be ready to go here, but we'll check and make sure we still got good oil. Yeah, just a little bit low. Not bad. Okay. And we got fuel in it, so let's just see if it'll start. Alright. Alright, let's see if it'll start. Might have to go get the jumper pack, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, well, as you can see, it's running, so I'm going to let it sit there and run a little bit, and hopefully we won't have to use it at all this year. So, thanks for watching.